So after you've confirmed that your calibration and system setup, all the software setup is correct, and you've confirmed operation of your instrument, it's always good to save a restore point on your computer. This can be done through the Windows system, and it varies slightly from Win 10 to Win 7 computers, but basically it's the same. So we're going to go to the Windows icon, select the search window, and type in create a restore. Create a restore point. And that brings up the system protection window. Want to make sure that the C drive is turned on for protection. You can configure that here if need be. And then we're going to click on create for creating a restore point. We're going to type in a name such as today's date, post cal restore, and create. This may take a few minutes, and the larger your system files and folders are, the longer this will take, but it shouldn't take more than a few minutes. The restore point was created successfully. Close and select OK. Now, if you were to have a crash from a system out, a power outage or some other software crash that resulted in corrupted files or folders, you can go in and type in system restore, and it brings up the same window. Actually, it jumps ahead to the next window. Select next, and you can see the restore point that was just created. So if you don't see the restore point that you desire, you can click on show more restore points, and there you have all of the restore points that were ever created for your system. Click on the one you want, next, and then finish, and it will prompt you to begin the restore, and it will also say you cannot turn off the computer while this is running. And once it's running, is finished running, it will give you the message whether or not it was successful. If you have any corrupted application files, this should correct it and bring it back, and it's been known to help out on many occasions.